Okay, this is Mom's Nexium, and it's actually a very big box for a very small supply of pills. It even says 3 bottles inside. Why there's 3 bottles, I don't know. So what you do, take the lid, and then inside they have one of these stupid, well, I say stupid, it's got a purpose. It's kind of hard to get out though. There, see that? What that does is so it doesn't get moisture or whatever in there. And sometimes I can just, okay, so there's that thing that absorbs moisture, put that over there. There's the lid. Take the second one. That time it came out real easy. Empty bottle. Third bottle. Oops, there's 2 more pills. And there's another pill. Let's see if I get the little. I got the little. One bottle empty, 2 bottles empty. All into this little bottle. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's plenty of room still. I mean, you could probably put 3 times that amount in that one bottle. So why don't they put it in the one bottle? I don't know. Those will be recycled. These will be thrown away. And there you go. Next in 24 hours, the purple pill.